Hi guys, bonsoir tout le monde, welcome back to my channel. My name is Neffy, and if you are new here, hello, welcome. Please stick around after this video to view my other videos to catch up. And if you are not new and you're a subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're not subscribed, definitely do. Even if you are already, always check to see if you're subscribed, because sometimes YouTube might, you know, unsubscribe you and you didn't even realize. So this video is pretty much going to be discussing products that I bought more than once. So these are like pretty much my holy grail products that once it's done, gotta re-up, gotta get another one because I love them that much. I am someone that once I find something that's good, that works for me, I tend to stick to it. It's not anything that I do like intentionally, but you know, you just gravitate towards what you're used to, what you know works for you. And I'm sure a lot of you guys are the same way, but I'm also very open to trying things out at least once. That goes for majority of things, so this can be generalized besides makeup. But today we're just gonna go ahead and talk about products that I love so much that I just keep buying them, and if I hear or know that they're discontinuing, then I'll get multiple so that way I won't run out in a while. Let's just get started. All right, so the very first product that I don't even honestly know how many I've bought with this, but it is the LA Girl Pro Concealer. I'm sure a lot of you guys know of this concealer. You've heard of it, you've probably used it. It's very affordable and just amazing quality at the same time. So for this concealer, I use a few colors. I use Toffee and Fawn. I usually use that to, not usually, pretty much the only things I use those colors for is for highlights. So when I'm doing under my eyes to arch out my brows, when I'm cleaning up my brows, or for my base for my eyeshadow, or also when I put it here for my stash, my little mustache, when I usually put that before I put on my foundation to just help cancel out the dark color, to even it out with the rest of my face. So that's what I use the Fawn and Toffee color for. Now for my eyes, sometimes if I'm not wearing foundation that day and I just want to cover my stash, I feel like my Creole accent coming out, my Haitian accent. I also use it for like my eyes when I'm actually concealing like my dark circles and my mustache. Then I'll use Beautiful Bronze or Espresso, and then, you know, just of course blend it out and get it together to look decent, and put, you know, powder on it to make it look good. So that's the first thing. Now the price point on this can range from $1.99 to $3.99. I haven't seen the $1.99 in a while, but usually I'll see like $2.99, $3.99, and they sell these a lot of places now. I've seen them at Rainbow, the clothing store, CVS, like a lot of places now have these concealers. Next item on the list, Black Opal. Okay, so Black Opal, I've been using their, let me find the name, their True Color Soft Velvet Finishing Powder. Now it looks like this. This is, I think, their new packaging for this one. Okay, here is the other packaging. So this is the first one that I bought. This one is how the first one looked, like this. So it has Black Opal, their name, and then this is the other one. So I think this one is the new package. The first one that I bought in the color for the powder is Neutral Light. Even though the name sounds light, it is, but not that bad. Okay, I was actually able to still use it for my under eyes, and even my whole face. This powder really helps, like for any, because I have a few foundations that I like, but maybe the color is not the best for me as far as like orange or whatever it may be. So this really helps to balance it out. So this neutral light color for me, my complexion, I use it under my eyes and a little bit just to kind of make my foundation a little lighter if it was too dark or whatever the situation may be. Now I recently, not recently, it's been a good year now, where I started using their dark. So the same powder but in dark, and you guys, I've used it in a lot of my videos recently, so this is it. So this one is darker. I just love this powder. I've bought a few, about 4. I have 3 different colors, dark, deep, and neutral light, and I bought 2 of the dark. I have another one with this because it's just that amazing. It's just velvety, just like it says on it. It says soft velvet. It's soft velvet. It just gives you a beautiful finish. So love, and will continue to purchase. Now this can be bought beauty supply stores, CVS. And with Black Opal though, you have to kind of go, when it comes to CVS or Walgreens, go on their website for Black Opal, check their locations to see which one, because even though they are sold in like CVS and Walgreens, not every location will have them. And that goes for Black Radiance as well, which I'm about to talk about. This is in the powder, $12.99. I don't know if it is cheaper on their website. Let me check real quick for you guys. You know what? You pay for convenience for real, because on their website, I never checked. The last time I bought something on Black Opal's website was the stick foundation. So that's it. I just haven't been on there. I just would buy their products at the beauty supply store. $12.99 for the powder. Okay? Their website usually sells it for pretty much $10. I see one that's $9.25. Yeah, $9.25, but it's scratched off, so meaning sale in red, $7.40. So that means I've been paying more than I needed to. Okay, now I know. We're learning. You see, I learned something today. You learned at my expense. Let's just say that. Black Radiance liquid foundation. It is liquid color perfect foundation, and I am in the color cashmere, and these are very affordable. You can find them pretty much $3.99, $4.99, pretty much $4, $5. You'll find these, and they're pretty good. The coverage is medium, light to medium, so there's that. But you know, for a light day, or even if it's not a light day, just add on more to make it a little bit, you know, more coverage. Love, and I do have a video of this for you guys. I'll attach or put the link in the description box for you guys to check out, and it reviews this foundation with Maybelline Fit Me foundation, so you guys can go check that out. Speaking of, that's another product that I do purchase a lot, is the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, liquid foundation. I am in Mocha. All right, and then its sister is a Super Stay foundation. Look at that. This is, I think, the first one that I purchased, and I bought another one. So yes, this does have more coverage. I'm actually planning on doing a comparison video for these two, Fit Me and Super Stay. This does have more coverage, I believe, but who knows? When I do my testing, it might not seem like there is much of a difference. But both of these babies I love, and I will continue repurchase. The next product, now this might be a little bit harder to find because you do need to, okay, let's talk about it. Let me introduce it. So this is Mary Kay Cosmetics, and this is their mineral cheek color in copper. What is it? Yes, golden copper. Look at it. Clearly I do use it a lot. Their products are amazing as well. They do have a few other products that I love, but this has to be like #1 for me. I love anything golden, bronzy. I don't have it on today, but with Mary Kay Cosmetics, you have to purchase their products through a consultant. So all you have to do, go to marykay.com, and just once you'll see find a consultant, and you can just go ahead, put your zip code, they'll show you who's nearby, and you just shop through them. So that way they can either send it to you, ship, or bring it to you, or whatever, you know. But love, love, love. I think I've bought 3 or 4 of these. Amazing. Okay, now I'm almost done, guys. Almost done. So the other product is the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Bra in chocolate. Now they are, I believe, the first dip bra product that I've used, and I'm hooked. Okay, these run for about $20. I use, again, chocolate. I can't find the top for mine, so it's been on my makeup desk upside down. But I just love the creaminess and how it applies. Definitely don't apply a little at a time. A little at a time. Again, you can purchase it at Sephora, Ulta, and of course Anastasia Beverly Hills website. I am in love with that dip brow. That's my only gel eyebrow that I have, actually. So the other product is this Becca Evermatte Poreless Priming Perfector. As you can see, I squeezed. This is my second bottle. This lasts a while. I don't use it every day. I just use it mainly if I'm going to be out for a long time. I'll wear it. And this is about 40 bucks. It is up there. It is up there compared to the other products I was talking about, but it is worth it. And because it lasts, I believe I've had this 6 months, if not a little bit more. Again, I don't use it every day, and I don't even wear makeup every day, but I don't use it every time that I'm wearing makeup because I have other primers. But so really, the 40 bucks, it stretches. And even though it's pretty squeezed and almost done, there's still a good amount of product there, and a little goes a long way. And the only other thing that I want to mention briefly is the NYX Intense Butter Gloss, and this is how they look. I love their lip gloss because they are very pigmented, so a lot of times I don't even have to wear lipstick before I put it on. Color payoff amazing, and they're usually $6.99, Beauty Supply Store, Ulta, and a few other, I think the CVS or Walgreens. I think I'm missing a store, but you can look, of course, all of the products I mentioned. Just go on their website and you can find where they sell them besides at their website. Just look through their locations, and of course you'll see where they sell them. But $6.99, these pretty good price for it, and amazing color payoff. I have almost every color because every time I go to the beauty supply store, I kind of look and see what other colors I can find. A lot of times they're like out of stock. That's how good they are. So if you haven't tried them, definitely go ahead and give them a try. And I think that's it. I might have a few more, but I don't think so. Or even if I do, I'll maybe do another one of these videos in the future. Of course, an updated video, because I do want to try some other products, and I do have many amazing products that are affordable. I'm all about makeup being affordable as well. I'll be bringing you not only the affordable products, but give you guys reviews and opinions on the high-end products when I get them, okay? But majority of my products though are very affordable products that are good quality, okay? So I'll be bringing you guys more of that. All right, so hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.